Hello friends, I created a quotes generator application in Sketchware. Here is that application. It generates a random quote every time you can refresh. There is when I click new load quotes, it load a new quote with an image. I am using two APIs for this. I am firstly using a quote API to get this quote and a Unsplash API to get the image. And here I show you the API. This is the API for getting the quotes quotable. I give you link in description. I just calling a request to get an random quotes. And now here is the Unsplash API. I using this to get vision every time people refresh. So I am using my API key. You have to use your own API key, otherwise there is a limit of 50 requests per hour, so it stop after 50 requests. So you just have to log in and create your go to your application or create your application. You just have to click new application and you just have to accept their term and condition and application name, then you are good to go. You just have to fill this. And now here is the application API key. So you just need the thing access key. When you copy and you can paste here. When you copy and you paste here, you can get images every time you want, and random images of motivation. So you can just fill everything. There is this is public, and you can say you can also read their documents for more information. Here is first on create the method to I call the two APIs, that this is for quotes and this is for image. Now I get that from calling API, and I get that, and I just change the font of the text so it look good, and I load. Then I get an image and this. Now when I get the image and quote, so I just have to set that linear layout uh, to between the image, that text between the image. So I just use that code to set the text image. So when I click save, it just save that view into your folder. You can change it where you want to save. You can also change the file name. I just code.jpg used, and I give this project in the GitHub and on Telegram channel and SWD file. You can download from anywhere. Thank you.